everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I've been invited to do a collaboration with MAINiac Grammies Homestead to do some Thanksgiving side dishes, and I'm going to do slaw, some cabbage slaw. To get started, I'm going to use my new KitchenAid shredder today. I got it from Amazon. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to try that out. See how it works. Okay, now after I get all the cabbage shredded up, I'm just using a half a head, and I'm going to use the other half for soup or something. I've got 3 little baby carrots that I'm going to shred up. Now that I've got my cabbage and my carrots all shredded, you can buy the coleslaw already in a package if you want to, the coleslaw mix with the cabbage and carrots and cabbage. To this, I'm going to add a half of a bell pepper and a half of a small red onion. Okay, I'm going to set this aside. Now it's time to make the dressing. Okay, for the dressing, I'm going to be using some mayonnaise and some Miracle Whip. I like to use both. Some celery seeds, salt and pepper, and some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to use about 1/4 of a cup of each of the dressing, salad dressing, and mayonnaise. And I can always add more later. Okay, and for the Miracle Whip, I'm going to use 1/4 of a cup. Oh, I'm sorry, Brenda. I do that all the time. Sorry. Okay, now to this, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to start off with just 1 tablespoon. Add just a pinch of salt and some black pepper, right about a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and celery seed. I'm just going to shake some in there. It gives it a really good flavor. Okay, now it's time for the sugar. I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk together. Smells really good. I'm going to taste the dressing to see if it's sweet enough. Yep. That's good. Okay. Now that I got the dressing, pour it in my cabbage mixture. Switch over to this. I'm going to taste it again to make sure it tastes good. Get a little bit of everything. And the more that you let it, like if you make this in the morning and then have it in the afternoon, all the flavors will marinate together. That's some good slaw. Oh yeah. I think my mama would be proud. Good, good, good. The onions and the bell pepper gives it like a little kick. Oh, it's so good with that in there. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. And thank you, MAINiac Grammy, for including me in this collaboration. I really appreciate it. I hope y'all give it a try. It's really good. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.